In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Discord Developer Mode. Developer Mode in Discord is a small setting, but it unlocks some really useful tools, especially if you're building bots, managing servers, or just need to grab things like user IDs or message IDs. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn it on. And I'll also point out a few tips along the way so you know exactly what you're doing and why it matters. First, go ahead and open Discord. You can do this either on your desktop app or in a browser. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on the desktop interface, since that's where most people manage developer settings. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area with your avatar and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Click that gear icon to open your settings. You'll now see a menu on the left side with a lot of different sections like My Account, Privacy, and so on. Scroll down until you find the section called Advanced. It might be under the App Settings group, so keep an eye out as you scroll. Click on Advanced. In this menu, you'll see several toggles and options that control more technical features. One of these is called Developer Mode. This is the setting we want. To enable it, simply click or tap the switch next to Developer Mode so that it turns on. When it's enabled, the switch will usually change color, and you might see a short description explaining that this allows you to copy IDs for servers, channels, users, and messages. Once Developer Mode is turned on, you can close out of your settings by clicking the X, or just hitting the Escape key. Now, when you right-click on a user, a channel, a server icon, or even a specific message, you'll see an option that says Copy ID. That's the main benefit of Developer Mode, and it's essential for a lot of bot configurations, API calls, and troubleshooting tasks. If at any time you don't need these extra options, you can go back into User Settings, open the Advanced section again, and toggle Developer Mode off using the same switch. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled Discord Developer Mode and unlocked some powerful tools that make working with Discord's developer features much easier.